Anushka.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also fine. What's your school name?
My school name is MCC Public School. What is your school name?
My school name is Gitansi Olympic School.
Okay.
What are your favorite hobbies?
My hobby is reading and playing and swimming and dancing and singing.
Okay.
What is your hobby?
My hobbies are reading storybooks and dancing.
Really good.
Thank you. Why are you smiling now?
You're also smiling.
Yes. But why are you smiling?
You're smiling and I'm smiling.
Yes. How many friends do you have?
I have 4 friends.
Okay. Can you name them?
Ritika and Rashmika and Dhanushi and Atulya.
Okay.
You have what? You have how many friends?
I have so many friends. How many colors in rainbow? Do you know?
Yes, I know 7 colors.
Okay, can you name?
Yellow, blue, red, indigo, violet.
Can I tell?
Okay, tell.
Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. What's your mother doing?
My mother is watching me.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Meet you too.